using our phone, and it's not 100% dark here, but best we got. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. So for today's video, we're checking out these LED lights. You can install them in your truck bed, or you can install them wherever you want. So you can change the colors, you get a remote. We're gonna go ahead and install them in our Jeep for different car shows and different events, and we're gonna power it with our power bank right here so we don't draw from our battery. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. All right guys, so this is the remote it comes with. These are different accessories. You have your on-off button right here. And it does come with a built-in fuse line. The fuse is already inside there as well. Let's see. It is a 5 amp fuse. Also have a controller right on here as well. You have your connectors for the lights, and let's show you guys the lights. So the lights are flexible, as you guys can see, and you get a 2-pack here. So let's go ahead and show you guys the lights here. These are the LEDs. They are waterproof, so they are protected. You got double-sided tape on the bottom for easy mounting. All right, let's jump to show you guys what the lights look like.